Hola amigos, we're back and it's literally just a practice day, more of a video because there's a few new sections of the track that they're trying to rebuild or repair, remake, stuff like that, like this corner here and the top of the ski jump here. If you're not really too interested in just watching a little practice session and listening to me talk away, then yeah, don't have to keep watching. But if you do want to keep watching, awesome, thank you. Please remember to just subscribe and like and just keep watching the videos, because this is my passion and I love doing this stuff. And yeah, if you love watching, then yeah, please definitely support. But as you can see, you got a few parts. You got two parts in that corner there that they've resurfaced or retarred. Look, I'm not too happy with the tarring that they've done. Like this corner here, just this right hander, there's a massive bump that if you hit, it just messes you up for the whole chicane. There's a bump there in that tar. Like there's just, I wouldn't say it's poorly done, but it was. I don't know if it was. If Nathan does say that there's a stage 2 that he's hoping will, like that section there, all of that section is just, it's too bumpy. It's all over the place. You just can't. You can't quite handle yourself. Yeah, I mean, there's not too bad. Those two corners there. I'm just doing short clips of the day where it seems to be the most exciting. I follow this guy 97. I follow him all of this session. I just wanted to have a look at his lines and just wanted to talk to him after this session. If he does watch it, then yeah, sorry I didn't catch your name, mate, but hopefully this helps you. I should have tilted the camera up a bit. You can't quite see too much of karts in the distance, but I talked to him a little bit about lines and whatnot. There seems to be a few. He had opinions on his lines, and there seems to be a few people in my class that want to do the lines that he takes. I don't know if there's someone else suggesting that to him, but it's definitely not lines to improve your times or speeds or whatnot. But I mean, I'm no professional. I just told him what works. I wouldn't say what works for me, but I just told him what feels good in my driving. And I mean, I'm somewhat near the top of the field. I mean, he's got it. Oh, see, you can even see the bump. It's crazy, man. Yeah, he's a good driver. I think he's a good driver. I reckon he's got good pace. I think if he fixes up, he slowed down because he saw me. He just wanted me to pass, but like he's still just slowing down just to get me to pass. But I've signalled him to go, so he's definitely going to go now. He's going to do a few laps, then I'll pass him. I'll do a few laps, and I think I let him pass me again. But you know, that's just what I like to do. Like I was explaining to him, this is just locals. I mean, if this was state champions or Australian titles or nationals, I don't know if they do nationals anymore, but like if it was a higher competitive racing, I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't say to my my competitor, I wouldn't go, mate, you need to fix up your lines here. This guy's a P plater. He's got experience in racing sports, but he's new to karting. He's new to four wheels. So I just said to him, mate, this is what I suggest you do. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but you know, like I can see. I'm not going to explain too much about where he's faulted and whatnot, because I mean, it's, yeah. all I'm going to say is I can see where he's going wrong, and I can see where I'm much quicker than him. I explained it to him. I said, look, if you fix up your lines here, 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 you might see improvements, but if he doesn't change his lines, that's on him. I'm just happy to make a new friend, happy to socialise and just help where I can and talk to people. But yeah, you might have also seen at the start of the video, I'm bringing back the old the old team, the good old Hooters kart racing. It's very expensive to buy custom stickers. I mean, the Arrow chassis or the Arrow original or the Arrow kart stickers that come with the kart, they're not custom, but they're still about 150 to 300. They vary in that price range. They still cost that amount, and I can't really afford that much, because you'd be, if you're wanting stickers that look good, you'd be buying brand new stickers every race. I just don't have that money, so this is what my dad used to do. We made up a team, or my parents and my parents' friends, they made up a team back when I was racing, and it was called Hooters Kart Racing. I didn't know back at the time what it meant, but they bulk bought tons of stickers for Hooters Kart Racing, small ones, large ones, medium ones, and that's what they would use. Like they would put a sticker kit on the kart, and they'd pretty much use the Hooters Kart Racing over the sticker kit, so it doesn't damage the original, or doesn't damage the good looking stickers. So I might have to start doing that, because my Arrow sticker kit is looking a bit damaged, so you know, might bring back the old Hooters stickers and slap them on the kart wherever the tyre, like the rubbers, you know, visible on the sticker kit. I've got a mate, a karting mate, Paul. He's got out of karting Australia and he's gone into karting New South Wales. So I don't see him much now, but he's starting up a team. I'm going to get some of his stickers. I'm going to place them around the kart as well. And I've got to get fresh stickers from Nathan from Kartworks. So I'll put some of his stickers around it, and you'll still see the Arrow original stickers, and then you'll see Hooters, you'll see Paul's team, and you'll see Nathan's team. So yeah, this part here, I just wish they fixed this part a little bit more. It's just hopefully it is, but that's literally all that I've got for this little practice session. But Nicole Frank's memorial's coming up, so I'll be going to that, and stay tuned for those videos. Peace.